So if you remember from yesterday, you learned about ratios, and ratios are basically a comparison of two different things. And you can write them using the word to, a colon, or a fraction bar. So what we're going to do today is write equivalent ratios using ratio tables. So make sure you have your notes out, make sure you're following along with me here. So first word, equivalent ratios are ratios that describe the same relationship. Equivalent ratios can be made by multiplying or dividing each quantity in a ratio by the same number. You can organize your equivalent ratios in a ratio table. So for example, if it takes 4 cups of water and 3 lemons to make lemonade, if you wanted to double this recipe, you would have 8 cups of water to 6 cups of lemonade. So basically all you do is multiply both parts by 2. It will taste the same because they are equivalent. So you would just have more of the same mixture, but it would taste exactly the same because you're doubling the recipe. So how you can figure out different equivalent ratios is using a table. So if I use this table for the same type of problem, 4 cups of water, 3 lemons would make 1 cup of lemonade. So if we wanted to make 12 cups of lemonade, we would do 4 times 3. So you figure out what you're multiplying this number by. So 4 times 3 is 12. So you would do 3 times 3, which is 9. So that's tripling the recipe. If you wanted to figure out 15 lemons, how much water would you need? You take this 3, figure out what you would multiply to get 15, which is 5. So you would do 4 times 5, which is 20. That's pretty much it. So you just have to remember that you're always going back to the original, which are these two. So you're never going from the new one that you picked. You're always going back to the original and figuring out what you would multiply the original one by to get the missing number. So we're going to try some of these, so make sure you watch the next video.